Bowman Place at Old Bedford is a 95,000 square foot senior assisted living facility with 105 apartments plus dining and activity spaces. The project's general contractor, Ekman Construction, selected Denron Hall Plumbing and HVAC as the mechanical and plumbing subcontractor. The project had budget overruns, and Denron Hall was brought in to help reduce the cost of construction without sparing the quality that the owner and design team intended. Construction began in October of 2019, and by March 2020, the world was faced with the COVID-19 pandemic. Staffing the project to maintain the construction schedule while adhering to CDC guidelines was a major challenge. An additional challenge was pre-purchasing materials to avoid manufacturing and transportation constraints and delays. The team kept ahead of schedule by coordinating material orders ahead of milestone dates and staffed enough experienced workers to push the project to completion, even fulfilling the additional staffing demands of a failed subcontractor on site. Denron's estimating and BIM coordination departments had to redesign the plumbing systems to meet the changes of the adopted 2015 International Plumbing Code and source alternative materials to reduce the project cost and deliverability. Bowman Place at Old Bedford was constructed to exceed minimum energy standards and utilizes VRF HVAC systems with individual controls for the residents and ventilation systems with energy recovery ventilators throughout. Despite the challenges, the project was completed 1 month ahead of schedule. Bowman Place at Old Bedford welcomed residents in the spring of 2021.